This underrated, underused, misunderstood skincare super ingredient could be the answer to many of your skincare issues. I mean, it is so underhyped. Well, I'm going to tell you what it is, how it works, and what it's for in today's video. Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's the weekend. I am so glad, so ready. I know you are too. And today we're going to be talking about a skincare super ingredient that you just don't hear a lot about, and it is so underhyped, I can't believe it. But it is such a great ingredient, I'm dedicating a whole video to it for you. Now, if you're new and not familiar with who I am, I'm Chris, I'm a skincare expert. And on my channel, I help you find skincare that will work for you, not empty your wallet, and not do more harm than good. So if that's the kind of content that you've been looking for on YouTube, please be sure and subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you know when my new videos are out each week. Just do it. We're having so much fun here. Okay, so you guys know that I like to jump into whatever I'm going to talk about right away. And today we're talking about caffeine. And we know caffeine is good for giving you a kick in the pants, boosting your day, getting you going, keeping you clear. For those of you who drink it, whether it's getting caffeine from chocolate or ingesting it from your morning cup of joe, that's what it's really known for. But it's also a really great skincare ingredient. It's an antioxidant and an anti-inflammatory. So let's take a look at what it can do and what skincare issues in particular that it's really good for. Now, as an antioxidant, it is a really good topical for helping stop oxidative stress. In other words, the oxidation of your skin cells, whether that be from pollution, from stress, from your body's own metabolic processes, and even the UVA, UVB light that sneaks past your sunscreen. All of these together can create the signs of aging like fine lines and wrinkles. As an anti-inflammatory, it of course can help soothe and calm your skin, reduce redness and the inflammation response of your skin to, again, things like pollutants, irritants, allergens, which really all come together to create the perfect storm for hyperpigmentation and age spots. So it's an antioxidant and an anti-inflammatory that can do all these wonderful things for your skin, but it can do so much more. By reducing skin inflammation, it can also help stop spider veins, which are telangiectasia. That's the scientific name for those. And a lot of people think those are broken veins. They're really not. They are outgrowth capillaries that form and move up to the surface of the skin, due in large part to stress on the skin and also to skin inflammation. Caffeine has also been shown to be very helpful in preventing hair loss and encouraging hair regrowth in both men and women for androgenic alopecia, which is male pattern, female pattern hair loss. It does this by helping reduce the inflammation around the hair follicle as it reacts with DHT, which is the hormone that attacks the hair follicle. If you're hereditarily disposed to that problem, then the hair follicle shrinks and quits growing. So it actually is found in many, many, many proven hair loss formulas that we have today, topicals that really do help stop hair loss and encourage regrowth. It's now included in almost every hair regrowth formulation because of its ability to do this. Now, another skin issue that caffeine has been proven to be helpful with is going to probably surprise a lot of you, and that is the improvement of the look of cellulite. Because it is a vasorestrictor, it helps to tighten the skin, albeit temporarily, and because caffeine is easily absorbed into skin cells, especially the surface cells, it helps even out the look of cellulite. Now, it's not going to get rid of your cellulite. Cellulite is very difficult to treat and improve. However, caffeine, as a topical massaged in those areas a couple of times a day, can really make a big difference. So if you're headed to the beach and that's an issue you have and you want to improve the look of that, take a couple of minutes, massage a good caffeine serum, which I'm going to give you in just a few minutes, into those areas, and it will improve the look for several hours. Now, many of you already probably know that caffeine has been known to help reduce and improve the look of dark circles and the dark hollows of the eyes, especially the red and purple or blue hues that go along with that. The thing you need to understand, though, is that a lot of times, if you have dark circles and dark hollows, it can be hereditary, where the skin is just thinner for you around your eyes, allowing the blood vessels and capillaries to actually show through. blue blood vessels, red capillaries, you get that purple hue. So no topical product is going to reduce or improve that, no matter what anyone or skincare company or product tells you. You just need to know that. Doesn't mean you cannot improve the look of them, however, because again, it's a vasorestrictor. It does tend to tighten the skin and make those look lighter. If your issue with dark circles is a hyperpigmentation issue, caffeine is an excellent disperser of melanin in the upper layers of the skin, reducing hyperpigmentation. It even helps people with melasma. Drinking coffee doesn't, but adding it topically to their skin does. Isn't that interesting? But it does really help prevent those darkening areas of skin, and it also helps reduce puffiness. Again, vasorestrictor. So it's going to pull in and tighten the skin. A really good ingredient that you're going to find in a lot of eye gels, creams, potions, and treatments. It's going to contain caffeine. So where can you put your hands on this wonderful caffeine serum that can do all of these things for all of these skin issues? Well, you guys know that on this channel, I recommend The Ordinary a lot of times just simply because of their formulations. They're very a la carte. They stick to one or two ingredients and they have a proven track record of being effective, and they're not expensive. They do have a caffeine 5% solution with EGCG, which is another antioxidant extract. Goodness, I can't talk. Extract from green tea leaves, which we know to be very soothing and helpful as an antioxidant for the skin. It's a very light formula. It's water-based. It absorbs very quickly. You use it in the AM and the PM, massaging it into the areas that you're trying to treat. Just works wonderfully, wonderfully well, all for $7. Now, the other thing I like about this serum over, say, other products that have it as an ingredient, you're getting a much stronger solution to use. So you're going to see results a lot faster that way, and you're paying a lot less than you would pay for most of the other products designed to help using caffeine as an ingredient. Now, I will put a link to this product down in the video description box below so you can check it out for yourself. But if you decide to use it, it's important to understand that you still need to do a patch test anytime you're using a new product that you've not used before. I don't care what it is or what the ingredient is. You need to do a patch test for a day to make sure you're not going to have any irritation. If that's fine, then again, they ask you to apply it twice a day to whatever area you're treating. This is designed for use around the eyes specifically, but it will work for the other areas that I've talked about. Now, for hair loss, you probably want to look into a formulation that has minoxidil and the other ingredients that help with hair loss, because again, caffeine in those formulations does support them and make them much more effective. Caffeine alone on your scalp is probably not going to regrow your hair. So just know that for sure. Now, where does this fall in my skincare routine? Because it's an active that needs to penetrate and be absorbed in your skin so that it can work, it needs to go on first after your cleansing step. So think of it as cleansing, then you want to apply the caffeine, then your other products and serums would follow suit. Yes, you can use this product before retinol at night. I know that's another question I get a lot of times. So there you have it. $7 miracle ingredient that's been under your nose the whole time, less than what it costs to get a cup of coffee at Starbucks. Now, I hope you enjoyed today's video and it was helpful. If it was, please let me know in the comments below and give the video a like and share it out. It really helps me and the channel. Also, be sure and check out the videos coming up next, which can help you get your best skin ever. I want to thank you guys for watching and supporting the channel. You're absolutely amazing. I really appreciate you. Love you guys. Stay beautiful, and I'll see you over on the next video.